Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for June 16 to 30, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Capricorn. Energy update, June 16 to 30 for the Cappies. Capricorn. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Eight of Cups. Some of you are leaving a situation or meron ding travel or journey, bagong journey. It's like a new chapter in your life kasi you decide to walk away. Nag-decide ka na umalis sa isang situation that you feel is no longer emotionally fulfilling sa'yo. No? Hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka na nag-enjoy, ganyan. So, pwedeng related to sa trabaho or even sa relationship, no? Can be any type of relationship, romantic, friendship, family. You have the Ten of Swords. I feel like you've had enough of this, no? Kumbaga, tapos na for you. Trinay mong magstay, trinay mo na ipagpatuloy, but I feel like you did your best. Sabi nga you did your best, but your best just wasn't good enough. So parang you feel like hindi na siya practical to stay. Yeah, you have the Three of Wands. You're exploring. Meron ka mga bagong ina-explore sa buhay mo, like a new idea, a new opportunities. Some of you, mas madalas ngayon mag-travel, to go to places. And yung pagta-travel nyo na yan, it gives you a new perspective in life na parang, it's like you cannot explain it, no? Na parang, may mga simple na bagay na nare-realize mo na napaka-importante pala. No? Na hindi mo nare-realize nung hindi ka pa madalas naglalabas. O diba? Nagra-rhyme. Hindi ka madalas naglalabas. So, your overall energy for this second half ng June is the Temperance. So, Temperance is about modifying things, keeping things in balance. So, maaring you are reassessing your situation, ano ba yung kulang, ano yung dapat mong ayusin sa buhay mo, ano yung dapat mas bigyan mo ng attention sa ngayon. And this is also giving you patience. Patience sa sarili mo na mag-improve, patience sa mga bagay na gusto mo sanang madaliin, pero hindi mo naman siya mamamadali kasi it takes some time or may proseso na kailangan pagdaanan. Your challenge is the Eight of Swords. I feel like there is something na andyan pa rin na hindi mo matanggal-tanggal sa isip mo. This is like, parang you are in prison, no? Parang nakakulong. Pero not necessarily na nakakulong na may pumipigil sa'yo na, barrier. But it is something na in your mind, nasa isip mo lang, na pwedeng gumugulo sa isip mo kaya hindi mo ginagawa. Hindi mo siya sinusubukan, hindi mo ginagawa because you feel like hindi mo kaya. Oo. But you can definitely do that. Ito naman, itong pusa na to, nakatingin siya dun sa may mga swords na parang nagbo-block sa kanya. Pero sa kabilang side naman niya, it's open, no? It's clear. So, I feel like ito yung kailangan mo ring makita, no? The other side, the brighter side of life. So, you have the opportunity to be very successful. Maaring meron kang mga projects, trabaho, business, or career na it is really gaining so much attention or mas nagiging successful ka sa career path mo, mas nare-recognize ka, mas may mga taong nakaka-relate sa'yo. And this is also admiration. So I feel like people are admiring your work, admiring your job, your work ethics, or just, yung mismong pag-present mo sa sarili mo. So, you may get a lot of admirers there. So, you also have the Knight of Swords, which is your blessing. I feel like, meron kang kakausapin this week or this second half ng June. It's like making amends, no? Ito yung tipong tao na nakaaway mo or nagkaroon kayo ng samaan ng loob in the past, na I feel like you will you will be opening up with this person na mas magiging totoo ka or magiging blunt, no? Magiging unapologetically truthful sa mga gusto mong sabihin sa kanya. Pero sa pagiging truthful na yon, sa pagiging genuine, authentic, I feel like magkakaroon kayo ng understanding ng person na to na, kaya pala ganun yung nangyari. Okay? So, for your money, career, for finances, you have the Six of Pentacles and the Hermit. I feel like, you will focus on your career, your job, your money, and, medyo magiging low-key, no? Yung tipong you will not share any information or details about your work. Mas sasarilinin mo to na, yes, you're earning enough para sa sarili mo, para sa needs mo, para sa family mo. But at the same time, you want that peace of mind, no? Halimbawa kasi kapag sa trabaho mo, you are someone na masyadong nag-show off ng nangyayari sa buhay mo, yung mga success mo. I mean, that's okay, 'di ba? Pero nakaka-attract rin kasi yan ng mga taong parang they want to get a piece of your pie or slice of your pie. Kumbaga, parang darami yung mga mga ngamusta sa'yo, 'di ba? Pwedeng may mangungutang, ganyan. So, for some of you, I feel like you will just do the work that you need to do and at the same time, be quiet about it, na parang you will be low-key, no? Oo, na tahimik lang para sa peace of mind mo. And I think you have realized this, na it works well for you. So, sa love life naman, you have the Five of Pentacles and the Empress. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring you were ghosted, no? Merong person na pinaasa ka, nagpa-fall lang sa'yo, pero biglang, oops, nawala. Hindi mo na mahagilap, hindi na nagpaparamdam. But I think you will take it positively kasi pwedeng, yan yung magiging inspiration mo para mas i-improve yung sarili mo with the Empress. Let's see the Temperance. What is the Temperance card? Yeah, this is patience. I think yung patience mo ay makakatulong sa'yo in achieving more kasi hindi ka nag-expect sa mga resulta na makukuha mo. Kumbaga, you will just be open to surprises. You have the Hanged Man. You've been thinking through a lot. Meron gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon na matagal mo na pinag-iisipan. Parang ikaw mismo pinipigilan mo yung sarili mong gawin. But I feel like you will try to break free from that. What is the Six of Wands? The Hierophant. So, iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity to be a mentor, a teacher, a coach that will help others. You have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, may good news when it comes to your money, your finances. Pwedeng meron inheritance, meron kang makukuhang mana from your ancestors, from your family. I also see unexpected good news sa pera. Okay. You have the Six of Pentacles, the Lovers. Yung iba sa inyo, you will get into a business partnership. And this is going to be fun. Magiging masaya to. Oo. Maganda yung magiging resulta nito para sa mga papasok sa isang business partnership. Lalo na kung yung bang tipong hindi siya parang low-key lang na you don't have to announce sa social media na gano'n, na you are doing these things. And also, some of you, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang, if you are in a relationship, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang business partnership din ng romantic partner mo. You have the Tower and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel like meron ditong unexpected na tao na umalis sa buhay mo. But I think you will not care. Parang wala kang pakialam dito kung umalis siya. Basta ang focus mo ngayon is to improve yourself. You have, oh, di ba, orphan. Meron talaga, may umiwan sa ere. But I think, you will, parang hindi ka masyadong affected dito. Parang you will just brush it off na, okay. So, it means na hindi siya para sa'yo or it's not meant to be. Di ba? Take a leap of faith. Yes, you are taking a risk. Kumbaga parang susugal ka sa life. Oo. And this will bring more opportunities, transformation, bigger changes sa buhay mo. Especially with your creative talents and skills. So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.